idea for Festival of Love came about because I have been in practice for almost 10 years. So I've been a relationship counselor and clinical sexologist, working with people with all kinds of issues relating to their personal lives. And the common thing that I keep coming up against was noticing that most people have very little training when it comes to navigating their personal lives, whether be it an individual or as a couple. And so I thought it would be great if more people were aware of all these amazing speakers and practitioners and experts that are in the field doing their best work, wanting to help more people. So Festival of Love is essentially a platform for all these amazing presenters to come forward to offer their services. And so the best way I feel people can learn is in small group setting, where it's more intimate and personal, and they can go deeper. And when you do something through workshops, it becomes an embodied experience. You lock it into your body, and this is not something you are likely to forget. So that's why for Festival of Love, there's an emphasis of different workshops and experiences. And we also have a conference component of 2 days on the 16th and 17th of February. So Festival of Love is 10 days on the 14th to the 24th of February, and then the conference 16th, 17th. So I hope to see you there.
See you at the Festival of Love.
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 I'll see you at the Festival of Love.